Alright, I decided to come back down here. Homestead site. I took a quick little trip, exploration trip, just actually right over there. There's that 1798 house, and then there's a cemetery, and then another road. So I went up the road just to check things out and found a couple nails. But I came back down to this field here. I'd found a nice button right over there in the cow pasture, so I figured I'd check this field out a little more. We found some ox shoes and a few other things here. And I want to check out my new camera my daughter got me. Thank you, Raina. But I had a really consistent hit here in the tall grass. It was like 19, 17. Anyway, I dug it. It was like over a foot deep. And this is what it was. Another button. Looks like a copper button. Little shanks missing there, but nice. I'll take it. Pork chop. Well, had a target down there, and this is what it ended up being. It's a little bit of pretty pottery there, bent nail. I think this is what it was. It was this. I think it's the end of a really rough iron knife. Might even be the end of that one Dave dug. It was just right over there. Cool. Really wish I got that on video. There's something else still down in there too, but I chased this around for a little bit. It was a really consistent hit, but this is definitely a first for me. Bam. It's an 18. That's what she was. Another knife. Little tip there, kind of was broken in the hole. Pretty cool. Oh, nice. Cool. That's what she was. That's awesome. Pork chop. Cool. Lorena came down to see if we have another bullet shell here. It was a repeating 17, so and it's not very deep.
Right there.
Right there. Yep.
Yep.
Well, it was a low signal, but it was just constant 14 and not super deep, maybe 6 inches. And looky, it's another shoe buckle. She's bent, but nice. It's like a repeating 15, but she was like a foot deep. Pull it out. Full pocket knife. To get that cleaned up. Cool.
Well, that's good though. You start making some little videos.
11. That's what she was.
Oh, that goes my old back. Nice.
Another button. Jumpy 13 and 14. Shotgun shell. Little surface fun. Alright. Ezra found his shoe buckle.
So happy.
Beautiful.
Complete. First one ever.
Wow. First complete one out of here. That's beautiful.
Beautiful. It's all
Look
good
at
out.
that. Good job. It's awesome. Well, that 15 was, she was down there about a foot. It's a piece of folded up lead. It's old. I just pulled that out of the hole. Some sort of little decorative piece for something. But there's also something else down here, I think. I'm gonna try to work on this and get back to something else. Well, it's raining out pretty good down here. Just heading back. Had a nice 15 repeater. I figured I'd dig it, and it was deep, so I figured it was probably pretty good. And this is what I flipped out of the hole. Another button. And it looks like there might be some fancy on that one. Let's get her cleaned up. Come on. I have to get it cleaned up a little better back at the house, but it's a little different. Shank and everything. It's nice. Awesome. Thought I'd set you up on this last one I'm gonna dig. It's just wet and nasty, so right down there. Jigger out. What's down there? There it is. All right. The nail.